Carrascal Nickel Corporation adheres to its commitments for sustainable growth and development. Since starting its commercial operations in 2009, CNC has contributed its fair share to the government and partner communities, witnessing rapid progress through employment opportunities, social development and management programs, and corporate social responsibility projects. Living up to its motto of mining that makes a difference, CNC ensures continuous progress by practicing responsible mining. Within the short period of its existence, CNC has become a driving force by maintaining a harmonious relationship with the community, ensuring the health and safety of the people, and vigorously pursuing its commitment to environment protection and enhancement programs and other environmental initiatives. CNC is located in the municipality of Carrascal, province of Surigao del Sur. With its positive impact on the barangays within the municipality, CNC has always been close to the hearts of the community. The company mines lateritic ore, which contains marketable nickel and iron content commonly used for stainless steel production. CNC exports the ore to customers in China, averaging 5 million wet metric tons per year. With a projected increase in ore production, the company also seeks to cater to the demands from other countries. The company has provided employment opportunities to a majority of the local community members, while some skilled and technical staff from different parts of the country are also tapped. This allows empowerment and improvement of community members through skills transfer and training. The opportunities made available has benefited the local community and enhanced their quality of life. Through its vision of being the Philippines' leading diversified mineral resource organization, the company seeks to always make a positive difference.
Carrascal Nickel Corporation has experienced successful growth from its short period of existence through the commendable vision, teamwork, and collaboration of its management team and all its employees.
The growth of CNC is greatly attributed by its working culture, maintaining strong and meaningful relationships with the management, employees, local government and concerned government agencies, indigenous people, and all other stakeholders are given significant regard.
Through the continuous improvement of our systems and processes, we ensure that our operations are at par with the mining industry's best practices. From the mining method being implemented to the responsible stewardship of the environment, we ensure that the impact brought about by the mining operation is progressive, sustainable, and positive.
Nickel laterite mines are operated using open-pit mining since the ore deposits are shallow or near the surface. As an operating mine, CNC is involved in two phases of the operation, namely the development and the production phases.
During development, we ensure that all the necessary structures are in place, including environmental mitigating measures consisting of settling ponds, collector sump, proper layout of drainage canals, and others that would ensure the protection of our environment. As we move to the production phase, efficient ore extraction and safe operations is our main concern. We implement the production schedule and aim to always achieve our targets. With collaborative teamwork within the organization, our operation has always mined safely and productively while ensuring the best quality of our ore.
At CNC, industrialization and environment preservation coexist. This is what the company continuously achieves through the implementation of its environmental projects and reforestation activities. Mining is being done responsibly.
has been the practice of the company to do what is necessary to protect and enhance the environment while the operation is ongoing and to be sustainable after mining. Mining is temporary as our minerals are non-renewable resources. Our generation has been privileged to be allowed to extract and make use of minerals for our needs for progress. With this privilege, returning and enhancing these areas has been our responsibility. From its workers to top management, continued support, improvement, and implementation has been the top priority.
A noteworthy accomplishment of the company is its efforts for progressive rehabilitation. While developing mining areas only needed for a year's production, a systematic rehabilitation and reforestation program of mined-out areas has been established. As new areas are opened for mining, previous mining areas are immediately rehabilitated and reforested, restoring and even improving the area to what it once was. With sufficient facilities such as nurseries, organic fertilizer production, and a clonal laboratory, CNC's reforestation works are ensured to continue and aid in the progress and advancement of the community. Awarded as the company with the best mining forest, it further increased the company's drive in maintaining responsible stewardship of the environment. While environmental impacts to land, air, and water are always monitored and mitigated, CNC has always urged itself toward continuous improvement and being proactive, ensuring that the impact brought by mining is positive. True to its core thrust of mining that makes a difference, CNC has partnered with the local government of Carrascal for their Social Development and Management Program that develops and implements projects and programs with the community and for the community through HELPs, health, education, livelihood, public utilities, and socio-cultural preservation activities.
We at CNC, we serve 13 barangays all in all, out of which are host and 6 are neighboring. A barangay is called host if it is within the mining claim or area of a certain mining company, while a barangay is called neighboring when it is adjacent or not within a mining claim.
CNC shares its blessings with the community by providing the best healthcare services to its employees, their families, and the community through initiatives like construction and repairs of health centers in its host and neighboring barangays, annual medical missions, feeding programs, provision of ambulance and medical apparatuses and supplies to host and neighboring barangays, and Hatao, a dance exercise activity every Saturday at Carrascal Baywalk and in scheduled barangays.
Yan ay problema na mo kita pag-abot sa amo health facility, makakuha na kita kami ng mga panginahanglanon nila sa ilang panglawas na panginahanglanon. O ang tagimo ng CNC jay ila tagimo na medical mission din free consultations and free sub na mga medicines. So dabo karadyaw na mga tao ang naka-avail. Isa na anoya gadyoy kwarta.
Education opens opportunities to Carrascal's youth. CNC selects deserving students and sends them to college through scholarship programs.
Plan sab nako para sa community is to help mutabang sab sa ila sama sa tagtabang ng company sa ako. Gusto nako sab sila matabangan pinaagi sa paghatag sa ila ng trabaho.
Tungod sa scholarship na gihatag ng CNC sa ako, naka-eskwela ko diriya and nakaabot na ako sa ako 4 years diriya and 1 year na lang makatapos na ko and maabot na nako ang ako mga dreams na ako sa ako life.
CNC also provided the audio-visual materials for different barangays and a school boat, helping the students get to school.
Anamo daycare center before arang ini kagamay. So tagbudgetan kami nan 128,000 last 2010. Amo ini ko man na para sa expansion sa renovation ng amo daycare center. So sa pagkakuman dako na amo daycare center, ang mga bata komportable na sila sa amo sa ila pag-eskwela sa ila din sa ilalim ng amo center. And 2012 tagpalit namo ng TV, sound system, mga storybooks para sa mga bata.
The Carrascal Legal Corporation has contributed much to the improvement of the school. I am sure that this partnership with Carrascal Legal Corporation will continue, and we expect a better performance of the school with the support of Carrascal Legal Corporation. Thank you.
In those 13 barangays that we cater, a total of 86 people's organizations since 2008 to 2014 have been assisted and funded with different livelihood projects. This aside from around 78 community product centers that are also given financial assistance. As we speak, we are very proud to say that around 98% of those are operating, growing, and in fact others are already diversifying or expanding.
All of the People's Organization beneficiaries are marginalized sectors, namely farmers, fishermen, Women's Association, people with disabilities, senior citizens, solo parents, Rural Improvement Club organizations, and Mamanwa associations.
Dako ang naitabang sa amo ng CNC bahin sa cash assistance na taghatag nila from microlending na 78,000 as of 2011. Last 2013, nakareceive na sab kami ng 140,000 for livelihood sa pugasan sa Barangay Pantukan of Women's Association. So dako doon natabang sa mga, not only sa mga member ng amo asosasyon, tabi na sa mga lumulupyo or naninirahan dito sa Barangay Pantukan.
Apil og ini mga eskwelahan, apil diyaw na basketball namo, diyaw na meeting seat, diyaw na sa bitong service, kung diyaw ay masakit sa mga bata, dadulayan sa ospital, o diyaw na sa kurente, amo ito dako na mo pasalamat sa kumpanya sa CNC. O trabaho, diyaw na sa mga katrabaho sa amo, amo ito dako ang katabang sa kumpanya sa amo.
Consistent with our sustainability program for the company to leave behind a self-reliant and self-sustaining communities, we really invested and exerted much effort and time finding measures or approaches to make those livelihood projects become sustainable so that future generations can still benefit and enjoy it.
Continuing with its service to the community, CNC also sponsored several community improvements, like road concreting projects, construction of hanging bridges for accessibility, street lighting installation, TV cable installation to households, construction of Caglayag Seaport, water system and jetmatic pumps, and provision of mobile tents at different barangays.
CNC na nakuha nila na itabang para sa kasuwagan ng mga barangay pulong komunidad dito sa Carrascal. They have allocated us more funds to improve our lifestyle in the community and also the infrastructure that we have longing to be constructed. on year 2015.
Supporting Carrascal's cultural preservation helps the present generation value the history of the community's past. And various sports and social activities bring the community together.
So karon marog dako ang kausabang kay tungod every year nakadawat kami sa SDMP. Nagkural lang kami sa kawayan pero karon dili nakawayan na mo church coral ko di concrete nagkasudan na mo dili tag coral.
Carrascal Nickel Corporation or CNC is really helping a lot of people here in Carrascal in terms of their social development and management program. As part of the monitoring team, we are monitoring all the projects under the SDMP monthly. Na-visit na mo ang nagkalain-lain ng mga associations, mga organizations na nahatagan ng SDMP. And I've seen a lot of improvement in their lives. CNC, especially the SDMP, makes a difference in the lives of Carrascalanos.
Of the SDMP expenditures so far, the infrastructure projects get the biggest share at 26.1 million or 35.7%. Education at 14.7 million or 20.1%, livelihood at 13.8 million or 19%, health at 11 million or 15.1%, and socio-cultural preservations, which includes churches' assistance at 7.4 million or 10.1%. Aside from SDMP, Carrascal Nickel Corporation extends its efforts beyond what is mandated by law through their Corporate Social Responsibility, or CSR. Doyos Fishermen Association, or DOFA, for major renovation of its building center and procurement of freezer and generator set for its fish buy and sell business. Agap Buildings. Home Economics Building of Panikyan Elementary School. Major road repairs. Ongoing backfilling of building site at Carrascal National High School, and provision of school bus.
To date, our SDMP and CSR expenditures for our various communities or barangays already reach around 100 million pesos since 2007 up to the current year of 2014. Out of it, 73 million is from SDMP and 27 million from the ONTAP or CSR.
Mining that makes a positive difference. This is what CNC is all about. CNC employees imbibe the company's values from day one. They are reliable, they exhibit a reputation of being a fair partner to all, and they nurture strong relationships both inside and outside of their work life.
If our people grow, then our company will grow. As we are currently witnessing the progress of the municipality, its people, and workforce through the contributions of mining firms, the continuous growth of CNC as an organization is also assured.
Responsible stewardship of the environment is in each employee's heart and mind. As part of the company's vision, it paved way for the success of the company's environmental protection and enhancement programs.
For the company, for us, this is what we hope for. This is our commitment, a mining company that makes a positive difference.